Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Glimpse of Radhesham. This is one of the most anticipated movies of India. Prabhas fans have been scolding UV Creations to give at least one update about this movie. Even Prabhas' other movies, Salar, Adipurush, have been getting different types of updates, but this movie has not got at least one update since long period of time. At last, on the occasion of Valentine's Day, we are able to see this at least small glimpse about this movie. First thing I thought after seeing this glimpse is they can make it at least 1 minute. This is just 38 seconds glimpse. If you at least make 1 minute, it would be good for audience. We would have known some more things about it. Talking about the glimpse, this entire glimpse is all in a railway station, all set in 1940s in Italy. As the filmmakers told earlier, this film is set in two periodic dramas, one in 1940s, another in present generation. Here we can able to see Prabha saying something in Italian, something romantic in Italian, and Pooja turning back, and afterwards they say some romantic dialogue that was really good. I like that glimpse. This film is releasing in multiple languages: Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, and Kannada. Earlier, unit have released different title logos in different languages to get clarity that this is a pan-Indian movie. Talking about the budget of the movie, I have seen in Google, and they have also revealed that this film's budget is almost 350 crores, which is equals to Saho budget and Bahubali 2 budget. And you get a doubt about it. It's just a romantic movie. How this budget is very high. But earlier team unit have said that they have planned just almost 80 crore rupees for just climax. 80 crores. You can see they have planned each and every scene of the film in a very grand way, in a very dramatic way. And in this movie we can able to see Prabhas in different multiple roles. As you have seen in posters, there are some posters with mustache, without mustache, with beard, and something like that. And others also saying that this film is a concept of reincarnation, like Magadhira concept. And we have to see what it is really. To wait it, we have to wait until July 30. One more thing which is need to be bothered is this film is releasing on July 30 and KGF 2 is releasing on July 15th. You see there is a gap of 2 weeks between these two movies, but KGF 2 is getting immense craze. Estimated it would get at least 10,000 theaters all over the world, and KGF 2 craze can be finished within span of 2 weeks. This may continue at least 1 month. But the thing is, can Radhesham get the same response as KGF 2? This is not the first time we see two big movies competing each other. Earlier in 2018, Thugs of Hindustan was released on Diwali, November 15th, and within the span of 2 weeks, 2.4 was released on November 30. Both films did great job all over the world. Even though Thugs of Hindustan is flop, 2.0 got good collection even though it released after 2 weeks span. Also same thing with Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Bahubali. Bahubali released 1 week before Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Both the films collected around 600 crores all over the world. Both were biggest blockbusters in their respective industries. To get answers about all these things, we have to wait at least 4 to 5 months till July 30. That's all for today guys, so please do like, follow, subscribe, and do comment to our channel, the Pan Indian channel. Thank you all.